Number 21. Army goes into action. It means the military begins operations or moves into combat.
The army goes into action when the nation calls. The army goes into action when the nation calls. As the conflict escalated, the army went into action. As the conflict escalated, the army went into action. The army goes into action to protect the country. The army goes into action to protect the country.
Number 22. Join the army. It means to enlist in the military.
He decided to join the army after high school. He decided to join the army after high school. Many people join the army seeking discipline and training. Many people join the army seeking discipline and training. She's going to join the army to serve her country. She's going to join the army to serve her country.
Number 23. Arrange a meeting. It means to organize a time and place for a gathering or discussion.
Please arrange a meeting with the new clients. Please arrange a meeting with the new clients. He arranged a meeting for early next week. He arranged a meeting for early next week. They arranged a meeting to discuss the project's future. They arranged a meeting to discuss the project's future.
Number 24. Make something for. It means to allow space or time for something or someone.
Make room for the new sofa in the living room. Make room for the new sofa in the living room. You should make time for your hobbies. You should make time for your hobbies. They had to make way for the emergency services. They had to make way for the emergency services.
Number 25. Arrive at a decision. It means to come to a conclusion or make a choice after consideration.
After hours of discussion, we finally arrived at a decision. After hours of discussion, we finally arrived at a decision. She arrived at a decision after weighing all options. She arrived at a decision after weighing all options. The committee has arrived at a decision regarding the event. The committee has arrived at a decision regarding the event.